Very good, Arjun. Who gave you the star?
Not here.
Sorry, Arjun. Who gave you the star?
Aisha ma'am.
If Aisha ma'am gave you a star, we have to make something for her.
It's up! It's up! It's up! Gulab Jam.
Let's make gulab jam.
Gulab Jam. Gulab Jam.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys.
Hello,
Welcome to Cookbox.
I am Arjun. This is Dia.
And this is my brother.
Ian.
Yes, Ihan. Say
He's
hi.
so cute. He's so cute.
Today we are making gulab jam. I love gulab jam. Let's prepare. This is 1.5 tablespoon of rava. Let's stock it with 1 tablespoon of water. I also need a spoon. Mix it. Mix. Keep it aside for 5 minutes. Let's make the gulab jamun dough.
Milk powder.
First, put 1 cup of milk powder. 1 tablespoon of flour. Half teaspoon baking powder. 1 tablespoon melted butter. Now let's mix it.
Rava.
Okay, of rava. Okay, let's put it.
Salt. So hard. Hard.
It's not hard. Okay, and so now we have to mix it with our hand. We will get the breadcrumbs like mixture. Make a hole in the middle. Now let's add milk to it. 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk in the middle.
Finish?
Now let's mix it to make a soft dough. Now the dough is ready. Shape it into good balls without any cracks. Do you want to make?
Yes.
Okay, then wash your hands and come.
And wash my hands.
Okay, so Arjun is back. So you can make some balls.
24 balls.
Yes, we made 24 balls out of it. Now let's fry it. You should cook it in low flame.
Look at this, this is big.
Let me see. Yes, it is big. See? Good. The balls are ready.
This is
1 cup sugar.
Next, water.
Yes, water. 1/4 cup of water. 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1½ teaspoon lemon juice.
Is it ready again?
No. Let's wait it until it's boiled. Now let's switch off it. Now let's add these balls into the hot sugar syrup.
Wow!
There's a lot of gulab jamun.
Look at that. It's like bubbles. Yeah? Bubbles?
Yes, bubbles. Close and keep it for 2 hours. And see, the gulab jamuns are ready. Now you can try it. You like it?
It's like squishy.
So let me try. Just cute. This is super. I love it. Yeah,
You
he's
can
right.
eat
It was like
butter.
squishy, see?
Here, water. Please do try.
I hope you all enjoy this video. Bye everyone.